Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki. As you can see, I'm not with Lex. She is actually at work and she's gonna be at work all day today. So, sorry, I'm throwing away trash. Hold on. So she's gonna be at work all day today. I know I look a mess, but I'm always looking a mess. So y'all might as well just get used to it. Anyway. She's gonna be at work all day today, so this is just gonna be a vlog with me and my family today. So today is our 8th annual baking day, and we do this every year around Christmas time. It's around my grandma's birthday. My grandma's birthday is December 6th. Today is I think the 8th or the 9th. But my grandma passed away a while ago, like I want to say 10 or 11 years ago. In remembrance of her, we always do a baking day because she loved to bake things. So that's what we do every year. We get t-shirts. I can show you guys the t-shirt later. Everybody's gonna have theirs on, but we always get t-shirts and we always do it in remembrance of her, bake things, and just have a good time, all the girls in the family, all her grandchildren and her actual children. But we do it like every single year, and it's my favorite time of the year. I love it. It's my favorite time of the year. So that's what we're doing today. So right now I'm about to get in the shower and get ready, and we're waiting for everybody to get to my house so that we can start baking. But we do this like the whole day. So we're probably gonna start around like 3. Right now it's like 1:40 something, or yeah, like 1:40 something, 1:50. We're probably 3, and then probably until like 9 or 10 at night, something like that. But we do this every year, and yeah. So I guess I'll check you guys when everybody gets here and when I get ready. No. Finally, everybody's here. Took y'all long enough to get here. Hey! We all got our shirts on. Hey! We got our shirts on. Hey! Turn around, let them see your shirt. Hey, made in 98. Okay. Made in 98. Okay.
Hey, it's a vlog. Hey, it's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Hey, very vlog this. Hey.
Everybody say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Camille has an attitude. She don't want to wear her shirt. You want to She has an attitude. Smile, me. You want to decorate cookies? She cute. I think she cute. She thinks she cute. Ew.
I remember Mama bought her the girl.
Maybe 77.
Yes, Nana bought her the cross when she was like 6.
Huh?
Look, I said Nana bought her the cross when she was 6. Call her Lauren. That could be her child. Look at this. Look
at her face. Look at Camille's face.
No one believes me. Twins.
No one believes me that they look alike.
Yeah,
I said they do. I said they do.
Wait, take a picture.
Twins.
Look more like than any of the rest.
Take a picture, Tish. Come on.
Okay, so we got everything ready. We have a lot of stuff.
Yes.
We ain't playing no
I know your
games.
mama.
We ain't playing no games. We ready.
That's the daggone shit.
Look, I think I
ready.
got little bitty things in here.
Hey,
I was like, that is so
shut up.
pretty. I can't wait.
She went to the school.
I know she's
I'm
Hey, okay, made in 93. Okay, I see you. Okay.
Let me act like them.
So this is where we're at so far. We're starting to bake the sugar cookies. We're making the dough right now from scratch. That's how you do it, boy. What's that smell? About to start rolling these cookies out.
Whose phone is this?
She is so hit.
Yep, y'all can roll her out.
Never that.
We rolling them out now.
Never that. Never that. Never that.
See how we feel, y'all. Real good. Look like it's gonna roll in the
Yes.
We got cookies for days. Cookies for days. Cookies for days, y'all. Cookies for days. And we making more. It don't ever stop. It never stops.
They're gonna share their joy.
You're doing the wrong side, baby. Okay. We'll just roll it.
Hey, boom, boom. She's decorating the wrong side of the cookie.
Oh.
You'll still get 8.
Right.
I don't want to look at another cookie.
How you get your now let's hold it on surprise. Nicole, go get mine. So you're gonna snack.
How they looking?
I don't think they done.
No, it's so big. That's why. And it was taking longer. But you're looking
We finally finished and cleaned everything
bring our
up.
bill way down.
It took so much time to make all them cookies, the Rolos, everything. We got cake pops in the fridge, everything. We finally done. Like, that took so long. Everybody tired and ready to go to bed now, but that's what we did, y'all. We did baking day. 8th annual baking day. We did it for you, Nana. We love you. R.I.P. So this concludes the vlog for today. So drained after all of that. But it was so much fun. A lot of work, but it was so much fun. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding! And without further ado, we'll see you later. Deuces.
Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me all BT and start tearing.